Well, hi there, and congratulations on setting up your dashboard. Let me walk you through how totally simple this is to use. We'll go through all the little bells and whistles from right to left. So we'll start up here at the initials or logo in the top right corner, and this is where you get to your profile. It's where you can see your information, your business information, and what bank account you want money deposited into. Next up is the bell icon. This is for announcements and updates. This will be available in the coming weeks. The life preserver icon is the tutorial section. So this is where you can learn how to finance according to your business and product or service, along with ethical principles in financing. When you click on it, it will open a new tab outside your dashboard that you can then bookmark. Anytime you want to see this video, by the way, you can pull it up in the help icon. The next icon is to switch from your business dashboard to you as a customer. There are other companies out there using Woje, and you're not going to want to miss out on using their services. This long bar above with a currency amount is something we're very excited about. This is to let you as a user see how much money is being kept in the hands of other users like you, and therefore the amount all of us have been able to keep in our communities from credit cards and lenders, merchant services, and collection agencies. Keep an eye on this to see what businesses everywhere are accomplishing with Woje. Let's drop down now to the green arrow. This is your next step to complete. With any financing, there is a credit application before a payment plan. The credit application template is where you create your personal credit application, which you'll then send out to your customers for their approval before they can do a payment plan with you. After this tutorial, be sure and get that done. It'll just take you a couple of minutes to do. The dashboard button is to bring you to the main page, which is an overview of your current assets created in Woje. We call the balances you have on payment plans your assets. This will show you the total balance of all your payment plans, total earnings, and just how much money in interest you now are keeping in your own pocket. This leaves the two main buttons you use, Customers and Payments, which are the exact same as these two buttons below. When you click on Customers, this will lead you to where you can add new customers by sending them your credit application to approve. See all the payment plans your customers approved, and by clicking on any customer, you can create and send a payment plan very quickly, along with adjusting their payment plan, and even toggle them on and off auto withdrawal if needed. That leaves Payments. This is where the patented magic happens that makes you the good guy with all your accounts receivables while you earn more profit. Oh yeah, we almost forgot the live person help desk we're currently working on. This is the icon found at the bottom right corner. Use it whenever you feel like you need a little hand. Well, that's it. Simple enough for you. You now have the dashboard. You've seen how easy it is to use. Just one thing left to do. Use it.